Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to save your document on the Pages application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the application Pages, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way on to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Pages application. Enter to open up the application. And now what we will do is choose the blank document, create. And now let's go to File, go to Save. We will change this to document.pages and we will save this on the desktop as part of this tutorial. Let's now click on Save. And there we go. So we have now created the document, saved the document on the desktop. So if we were to, let's just say, close out the Pages and now open up the document.pages, this will open up the document that we created and saved to the Mac computer. Let's now quit Pages. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.